Okay, so few formula, few things we have to learn about in advanced learning. So you all are aware about sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, right? Sine theta is how much? Opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent.
Opposite.
Some technique also I had told. Those technique was pen RTC, right? Array, not this one. For this one,
Sir,
what did
all silver teacups.
no. For this one, sine, cos, tan, what we had discussed? So whatever method you wanted to know, those things you can utilize it. And we are going to have some vector part we'll try to learn better. Vector means resolution of vector into their x component and y component. Resolution of vector, this you are going to have plenty of the benefit actually. Resolution. Vector in the x and y component. For example, if I say this is beta a vector, let's say this is a vector. So this a vector we can break into two parts. If it is having, say, with horizontal part, if it is made some angle theta, theta is the angle part, and if we are breaking this a part into x part and y part, so we can write straight away any vector will have magnitude and direction. You are aware, no? This has two things.
Yes.
One is magnitude and other thing is direction. If I say find magnitude of A, so that we have to put by two vertical lines. So this represent magnitude. Do you understand? So magnitude part is this. Direction means you have to say either north, south, east, west, or for x, y, z. For x, y, z we write I cap, for y direction j cap, for z direction it is called k cap. These are unit vectors. I cap is the unit vector in the direction of, tell me.
So x-axis.
Very good. J cap is what beta?
Y-axis.
Unit vector, okay? Please remember.
Yes, sir.
And k cap is?
Z-axis.
Z axis. Okay. So something we have to understand further. Now for this a vector was there, no? A vector is not having any kind of a direction. It is in x and y plane. So what would be unit vector in the direction of a vector? Question, if I say find, these are the things I will just make it like this so that it will be a learning point. Okay, so this is the new learning point. And now question is find the unit vector for a vector. How can we find unit vector? What is the meaning of unit vector? Next question is, What is the meaning of unit vector? Who will reply?
The magnitude of force.
The magnitude of force I feel.
Unit vector. Wrong, beta. Anybody else?
The one magnitude and force.
Very good. Unit means, please understand, whenever we talk in physics, unit quantity means magnitude will be 1. Magnitude is how much? 1. And since it is a vector, means it will have direction. If you multiply by 1 through any quantity, it will have same value. For example, 10 into 1 will be 10 only. Understood? So if
Yes,
I
sir.
say 10I means magnitude is how much? Magnitude remains 10 and direction we can say x-axis, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I say minus 10I means direction is minus x-axis, magnitude remains 10. Magnitude is always positive. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now in this situation, it has been asked find the unit vector for a vector. So meaning is you have to find unit vector, means magnitude should be 1. In other terms, what is being asked? I am asking a cap. A cap is what, beta? Unit vector of A, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how to find, beta? Please understand, these are very, very critical things, very important. And most of the students, even today for intermediate or JEE NEET students, are not clear how to find unit vector. Very simple. It's 4th standard oriented question I'm going to demonstrate. A cap is always, right, a vector. How we can find 1? Same by same, if we make it, will it be 1? By 10 by 10, if we
Yes, sir.
divide, will it be 1?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But it will be exactly absolutely 1. Not cap, not vector. This will become scalar part. So to make it vector, bottom ko you make divide by magnitude only, so that magnitude and magnitude will get cancelled and vector will be present there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is again another part of learning. I'm just please take a screenshot. It will be easy and useful for you to revise quickly. Okay, beta. Next, if I say find B cap, means what is B
Unit
cap?
vector of B.
Very good. So how to find B cap, beta?
B vector by
So
absolute
B vector by
vector.
B
Magnitude of B
magnitude.
vector.
By B magnitude.
This is called mod. This part is called mod. I have to say this is mod B.
The
Okay?
modulus.
Sorry,
So is it modulus?
modulus.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear, beta? B cap means B vector by B cap. So we will try to find the unit cap also, unit vector also, how to find. Please understand, if I say I cap ka mod will be always value 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
J cap 1. K cap 1. Yes? If I
Yes,
say
sir.
I cap plus J cap, find the magnitude of this. So what we have to do between I and J, see this formula you should remember. Formula, let me write one side. Hope I would have explained in my previous class as well. A vector plus B vector ka mod you are taking or magnitude you are trying to find it. We have to say A square plus b square plus 2ab cos
Cos.
theta, and we have to take square root. Did we discuss these things?
Yes,
sir.
sir. We
Yes,
discussed.
sir.
Okay, so these are important thing. And if theta is 90 degree, then what happens?
Cos theta is 0.
A square plus B square whole root.
Cos theta becomes 0. It will be a square plus b square. So can we say a vector plus b vector equals to square root a square plus b square? Square root. And same thing we do with right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, what happens, beta? If this is 90 degrees, say this is a, this is b, so we say this is a square plus b square. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear for all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
So I cap plus j cap will be how much? Can we say 1 square plus 1 square?
Yes, sir.
Since between I and j angle is 90 degree.
Yes, sir.
So can we say this is root 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. If I ask now, actual question start now. Slowly I am taking you to the higher level. 3i plus 4j. 3i plus 4j ka mod. You have to find it. How to find, beta? I will explain that also, how to find. So 3i plus 4j means we have to take square root magnitude part, right? 3 square plus
So
4
it will be
square
5.
plus 2ab, 2 into 3 into 4 into
Or
cos
it is
90 degree.
okay, cos right.
So this much energy we should not waste actually. As a wise student, what you have to do? You have to say, sir, not required this. I understood cos 90 is 0 and anything we are multiplying with that 0, it will be 0. So it should be 3 square plus 4 square. And this is called 3 square,
Sir,
3, 4,
answer
5
is
square.
It will be 5.
5.
Pythagorean triplet. So it is having
Yes,
5.
sir.
See, this is magnitude part. So it is coming magnitude only, no direction. Is it clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it has no direction
Can
as
you give
such.
a question? We'll
No
repeat it
directions.
directly.
Whenever
Okay.
you say mod means you are going to find only
Magnitude.
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 One
Sir, can you
question,
give a
are you
question?
ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
6i plus
Yes, sir.
8k, find magnitude, will be how much? Okay, so fastest answer, top 5 members, I'll just name it. Kavya, Piyush, Mohit, Aditya, Ananya, Shreyan, you all are right. How to find beta? Please understand. Again, 6 square plus 8 square ka square root. This is Pythagorean triplet. 6, 8 and then the value should come 10.
Yes, sir.
Please remember some Pythagorean triplet so that it will
Sir,
help you, it will save you.
sir, after solving 6 square plus 8 square, the answer is 10.
Acha, how? 6 square how much beta?
26.
8 square how much?
64.
Sum will be how much? 100 ka square root?
Yeah.
Okay? Good.
Sir, here how do we know the direction, sir? Like how do we represent direction part?
No direction, because mod means only magnitude, no direction.
Okay, sir.
Next question. 7i plus 4j. Fine. How much? Reply me fast. Top 5 members. Aditya wrong beta. Kavya right. Piyush right. Shreyan right. Ananya wrong. Mohit right. Okay. Same method. What we have to do? 7 square plus 4 square. 49 plus 16 is how much? 65. That's all.
Sir, but it's a square, right? So how directly 65?
Square root, add 49 plus 16, how much?
Acha, 65 don't have square root.
अच्छा 65 का स्क्वायर रूट यू गॉट 15. कैसे आया था ये बात?
Yes, sir, I did that.
अच्छा एडवांस लर्निंग.
No,
Find unit vector of any vector. We will try to find, let's say this is a vector is 6i plus 8k. In question find a cap. So a cap will be how much beta? A vector upon mod a.
Mod A.
Yes or no? So a vector is 6i plus 8k. Mod a was how much? 10.
Yes,
Six
sir.
plus eight.
That's all. This is your perfect answer. Are you ready for the next question?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
3i plus 4k. If this is a vector, find a cap.
Once, can you say how to simplify modulus?
How to?
How to simplify modulus? Like mod.
That is what we were discussing. No? Simply square and then take square root.
Okay, sir. Here also same. right?
Same method.
Yes, sir.
And fastest answer I received from Piyush, Pranav, Kavya, Aditya, Ananya, Tayyaba. Everyone is right except Tayyaba. You have tried well, but it is wrong, beta. So first we will try to find mod a will be how much? Mod a will be how much? It is 3 square plus 4 square square root. If you know those calculation, you can, without doing those things directly, you can say 5. Then a cap will be how much? A cap will be a vector upon mod a, which is nothing but 3i plus 4k upon 5. Straightforward, straight, directly you can be able to reply. Are you ready for next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
If a vector is minus 3i plus 4j, find a cap. Quickly. Fastest answer is by Ananya. She is right. Piyush right. Aditya right. Kavya right. Pranav wrong. Shreyan right. So same method, beta. A cap, a mod of a remains same, right? Modulus of a remains same, which is how much? 5. So a cap will be how much? A vector upon modulus of a. A vector is as it is, you can write minus 3i plus 4j. Why to change? Somebody has told to change? No. Upon 5. This
Sir?
should be your answer.
sir, here is minus 3, right? So minus 3.
Minus ka you square it, beta. Minus 3 ka square will be how much? Plus 9 only, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready for next question?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have one doubt though.
7i plus, yes, tell me.
Sir, what is the use of these caps and all?
You are going to utilize it. We'll be doing the question. Once we are going little advanced level, you are going to do those things.
Okay, sir.
7i plus 10j. If say this is a vector, find a cap. Fastest answer by Mohit, and he is right. Piyush right. Kavya right. Very good. Pranav also right. Same method, beta. A mod a will be how much? 7 square plus 10 square. If you solve, it comes 149 square root. A cap will be how much? A vector upon mod a. Piyush, you are asking, sir, what is the use? Now, for example, if I say you have to apply force 5 Newton. 5 Newton, you have to apply the force in the direction of A vector. In this question, if I say apply 5 Newton force on a object in the direction of, already there is a direction existing of A vector. Represent in vector form. How will you represent, beta? So F is 5 Newton, we have told. This 5 Newton is, we are talking about only scalar part. Magnitude only we are discussing. Where is the direction? So for that, you have to say, sir, 5 Newton A cap.
Okay,
Piyush,
sir. Yes, sir.
is it clear for everyone? What is the usage of cap?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good question, Piyush.
Thank you, sir.
Next question, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, before question, we will have some theory part. Resolution of a vector, we were discussing, beta. If say, this is my vector, this is A vector, and if it is having some theta, we can resolve into adjacent and opposite part. So its adjacent is which is attached to that, okay, and opposite means which is not attached to the angle actually. Let's say this is x and this is y. So x component of A vector will be how much? X vector will be how much? So it will be A vector cos theta. I had explained that also in previous, in one of the lecture. The angle which is attached to that, you make cos theta. Y vector will be how much? A vector sin theta. And in place of vector, we have to say modulus part. Okay? Or
Yes,
x
sir.
component you can say here. I can say x component. And here we should say y component. Is it clear for all of you? Now, if I'll be giving a question, let's say here it is 10 Newton and it is acting at say 30 degree. So find x component and y component. Find fx and fy. So what we can do, beta? Anyone who will reply?
So on.
So on.
So this part fx will be how much? 10 cos 30. Fy will be how much? 10 sin 30. 10 cos 30 is how much? 10 root 3 by 2, which is nothing but 5 root 3. And here it is sin 30 is 1 by 2, which is nothing but 5. So this much Newton. Are you getting that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We will learn one practical application beta now. This is one object. In previous classes, normal class, what happens? 10 Newton force is applying, say this is 5 kg. What would be acceleration now?
2. Sir, 2 meter per second square.
Very good, Ananya, superb, I'm proud of you. So it should be complete unit we have to, 2 meter per second square. Now in the same question, I twist now. Let's say this is 10 Newton, it is acting now, which is making at an angle of say 60 degree. Now I'm asking acceleration will be how much? In this situation, what you will say? Question remains same, only I have twisted the question now.
So we
It will
should
be half, 1 meter per second.
So this will be nothing but this component will be only applying the force to move in this vertical direction, sorry, horizontal direction. So this component, let's say it is Fx. Fx will be how much? 10 cos 60, which is nothing but 10 into 1 by 2, which is nothing but 5 Newton. So A will be how much here now?
5 newtons.
Because of this component only the object will get accelerated. So we can say A equals to Fx upon m. Fx is how much? 5 upon 5, which is 1 meter per second square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir, we can directly just half the previous acceleration rate.
Sorry,
So we can directly just half the previous acceleration rate.
half the?
Previous acceleration which we found.
Of course it will become half, no? Because that component, force ka component in x axis, it is coming how much?
No, sir,
Half.
I'm saying we can just directly do that.
No, 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 no. If I am changing the angle, let's say from 60 degree, I am making it 30 degree. What will happen?
So it will be root 3.
5 root
by
3 it will become.
5 to 3.
So 5
Yes,
root
sir.
3 by 5, it will become root 3. If I make it 90 degree, then acceleration will become 0.
0.